but they added rules on top of the rules in order to keep people from breaking the real rules. Yes, they made it harder after protecting the commands. Any other examples? Who else is here? Let's see. How about Jesus washing the disciples' feet? Showing them the full extent of his love for them. And Peter was like, you are not going to wash my feet. I'm not going to allow you to wash my feet. Because that's a servant's job. And that's exactly what Jesus was saying. I am your servant. I've come to serve you. I'll have you know that I'm cheating because I have something in front of my face. I'm reading from something. I'm reading off these scriptures. But I do, I have learned about these scriptures previously. He was also giving us an example for them to follow. Yes, awesome. And never mind the typos. Oh yeah, I make more typos on Twitch chats than anywhere else in real life. All right, so let's give him some teeth. Angry teeth. Let's see, what else? Trying to draw some teeth at the same time. I've learned recently that usually you can only see one row of teeth if someone is speaking. Unless someone is smiling. Unless someone wants you to see both rows of their teeth, you're usually not going to see both rows of teeth if they're just speaking out loud. And if you're looking at them straight on, you're probably looking down upon the bottom row of teeth. What else? Let's see. Jesus showed love to the leper in Luke 5. Not only did he could have just healed the leper from long distance. He could have just said, "You're healed." He showed us that he does have that ability with the centurion's daughter. But for this leper, he decided he was going to touch this leper and make himself unclean and unable to worship in the temple for, I think it's 6 days, 8 days. Hopefully he did this late on a Saturday. So he had 7 days to recover from his uncleanliness. Let's make this bottom lip finishing your workday. All right, I forgot you were out there on the West Coast. Have a good day, CK Moore. Too many undos. Let's do this here and here. And we'll use this pencil layer. All right, let's take it there to his forehead. It is so hard for me. I'm used to drawing old men, wrinkly old men. And the wrinkles actually help out. They give me a frame of reference for where the muscle groups are supposed to be in the face. And let's give some shadows on this eye. Once again, hopefully I'm not going to put too much eyeshadow on this eye. It's not my intent to make Joseph into Josephine. Boo, boo, boo. Bow, 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 bow. Boo, boo. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. I think the shadow is going to go all the way. See, the eye socket is back here, so need that. We need it to look like that. And that. There we go. I think that's it.